Welcome to English Unplugged. Hey, Mark, I need your help.
Really? You need help?
Yes, yesterday, someone asked me, "What did you do yesterday?" I did not know how to answer.
Really? You did not know what to say?
Yes, I just said, "Nothing much." But I did many things. I think I need to learn how to talk about my day.
Oh, talking about your day is very useful.
You can use it in conversations every day.
Yes, I think we should practice this every day.
Good idea. I will tell you about my day yesterday, step by step, from morning to night. You can listen, ask questions, and repeat.
Great. We will speak slowly and clearly. You can understand every word.
Sounds good. But first,
If you like learning real English with us, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell. You will not miss lessons.
okay, ready? Let's start with my morning. Yesterday morning, I woke up at 7. The sun came through my window. It was warm and soft.
So you woke up at 7?
Yes, at 7. I felt happy. It was a sunny day.
I see. What did you do first?
First, I sat up in bed. Then I stretched my arms up high. It felt good.
Stretched your arms. What does that mean?
It means I lifted my arms up long to relax my body after sleep.
Ah, I understand. You stretched your arms when you woke up.
Yes, I always do that. It helps me feel awake, ready for the day.
Did you feel tired in the morning?
No, I slept well, so I felt fresh.
That's nice. Sometimes I feel sleepy.
Then try stretching. It gives energy.
Okay, I will try tomorrow.
After I got out of bed, I went to the bathroom. I brushed my teeth, washed my face.
Brushed your teeth, washed your face. Easy to remember.
Yes, I always brush my teeth first, then wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up.
Cold water? Is that too cold?
Maybe, but I like it.
It makes you feel fresh. Okay, what next?
I went back to my room, got dressed. I chose a blue t-shirt and jeans.
Got dressed means put on clothes, right?
Yes, put on clothes for the day.
Did you wear your best t-shirt?
Yes, it is soft, comfortable.
So yesterday morning you brushed your teeth, washed your face, and got dressed.
Yes. Ready for next part? After I got dressed, I went to the kitchen, made breakfast.
What did you eat?
I made 2 pieces of toast, a cup of coffee.
Toast? That's bread in a toaster, right?
Yes.
You put bread in the toaster, waited. Did it taste good?
Not at first. I forgot to check. The toast got burnt a little.
Burnt. What is that?
Burnt means cooked too much. It turns black or dark brown.
Oh, burnt toast. I know.
Yes, but it was okay. I put butter on it. It tasted fine.
And the coffee?
The coffee was good, hot and strong. I like coffee in the morning.
So yesterday morning you had toast and coffee.
Yes, it gave me energy. After breakfast, I walked to class.
Was it far?
No, just 10 minutes. I like walking in the morning.
Why?
I feel fresh air, see people start their day.
Did you meet someone?
Yes, I saw my friend Emma. She said good morning. We talked a minute.
What did you talk about?
She asked if I did homework.
And did you?
Yes, I did it last night. So I said, yes, it's done.
That's good. So you walked to class, talked with Emma.
Yes. Then I went into the classroom, got ready for the lesson. In class, teacher gave a short story to read.
A story? Was it fun?
Yes, about a boy and his dog. Simple but good.
What did you do?
We read it first, then teacher asked us to talk in small groups.
Talk means discuss, right?
Yes, we discussed the story, shared ideas.
Did you speak much?
A little. I said what I thought about the boy.
What did you say?
He was kind and brave. He helped his dog.
That's nice. So, yesterday morning, you read a story, discussed it in class.
Yes. After that, lunchtime. At lunch, I went to the cafeteria.
Cafeteria? Big place to eat, right?
Yes, where students buy food, eat together.
What did you eat?
I ordered chicken sandwich and salad.
Sounds good. Did you get it?
Not exactly. They gave tuna sandwich.
What did you do?
I smiled, said, "That's okay, I'll have this."
You did not change it?
No, I did not mind. Tuna was tasty, so yesterday lunch, tuna sandwich and salad.
Mia, what did you do after lunch yesterday?
Yes, I sat with two friends. After lunch, I stayed to talk with them.
What did you talk about?
Weekend plans, like going somewhere.
Oh, what are your friends planning?
Emma wants hiking. John wants a movie.
And you, what do you want to do?
Not sure. Maybe hiking with Emma. Sounds fun.
Did anything funny happen during your talk?
Yes, John told a funny story.
What was it about?
His cat knocked over milk.
Oh, funny. So after lunch, you talked about weekend plans and laughed together.
Yes, nice break before class.
What did you do in the afternoon?
I went to the library to study.
What were you studying?
For history class, presentation about ancient Egypt.
Did you find books for your project?
Yes, looked on shelves, took notes.
How long did you study?
About 2 hours.
Was it quiet? Could you focus?
Yes, it was quiet. I could focus.
Were you alone or with a group?
First alone, later two friends joined.
And after the library?
Part-time job. I went to my job at a cafe.
What do you do at the cafe?
Make coffee, serve drinks.
Was it busy yesterday?
Yes, very. Many students came for coffee.
Did you work alone?
No, with my friend Sarah. She made drinks. I took orders.
Did anything special happen?
Yes, fun. We made hot chocolate with extra marshmallows for one person.
How did the customer react?
The person smiled, said thank you.
What did your roommate make?
She made salad. I made pasta.
Did it taste good?
Yes, had garlic bread too.
What did you do after dinner?
Watched a movie in my room.
What kind of movie?
Comedy. Very funny.
Were you watching alone?
Yes, my roommate had homework.
How long was the movie?
About 2 hours. I laughed,
After the movie, what did you do?
brushed my teeth, got in bed, slept.
What time did you go to sleep?
Around 11.
So last night you watched the comedy and slept at 11?
Yes, that was my day, morning to night.
Wow, Mia, you did a lot.
Yes, busy but fun.
Let's review your day. In the morning, you woke up at 7, stretched your arms, brushed your teeth, washed your face, got dressed, and had breakfast.
Right. Toast, a little burnt, and coffee. Then walked to class, talked with Emma. In class, read a story, discussed it.
At lunch, you went to the cafeteria, ordered chicken but got tuna and didn't mind. Then talked with friends about the weekend.
Yes.
In the afternoon, you studied in the library for a history project, worked at the cafe, and made hot chocolate with extra marshmallows.
Yes.
In the evening, you went to the gym, ran on the treadmill, cooked pasta with your roommate, watched a comedy movie, and went to bed at 11.
Full gay.
Yes, now you know how to talk about a day in English.
Good. Everyone, tell us in the comments what you did yesterday. We speak slowly and clearly. You understand every word. See you next time.